What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce, nothing to get too excited about just yet, but we are seeing some strong signs of reversal for Ethereum. So we're going to go over the analysis for both Polygon and Ethereum. If you get any value, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's hop straight into it. So we're sitting at 83 cents. Currently, we're up about 6% on the day. There's tons of cars honking outside. That's how they communicate out here on the roads. They just honk at each other. No street lights, no traffic control, just honking. So we're sitting at a market cap of 5.29 billion. And the 24-hour volume is still low, which makes trading breakouts to the upside a little bit shady. So we're sitting at 402 million in 24-hour volume. So let's hop straight into the 1 hour chart. So we do have some reversal patterns that have played out. We had a little bit of a double bottom here, and that target was met. If we do a little measurement here, we can see that target was met absolutely perfectly. And now you can see we have a little bit of a bull pennant here. So if you do see us start to break above this level of resistance here, you can go long. Just be cautious due to the fact we're in a downtrend. We've had so many fake outs, but your technical target would be up here, would bring you back up to about 90 cents, almost 89 cents. You'd have to break through this level of resistance right at about 87 cents, that level we've been covering on the channel here. But that breakout target is up here at about 89 cents. However, guys, we are having low volume. We are in a downtrend. So enter your long trades cautiously. Just a little bit of advice from Jax. You don't have to take it if you don't want to. You can see we're back above the EMAs. However, if we look on the 4 hour chart, you can see here on the 4 hour, come on, load. We're still hitting resistance. Let me quickly take these lines out so it's more visible. We're still hitting resistance on the 20 EMA. And you can see we've been hitting it as resistance for over a week now. So it would be crucial if we are going to see continuation to the upside and a bit of a reversal in the trend, break through 87 cents. Let me take this out. 94 cents and head back up to $1. We need to get back above the 20 EMA on the 4 hour first. Very, very crucial, guys. So let's quickly pop over to the daily so I can show you guys the RSI once again. So we've seen a little bit of bounce. However, we didn't come right down to 26, that level of support that we had massive bounces to the upside back in March and November. So what can happen here is you have a little bit of a bounce, maybe you come up a little bit, you consolidate, and you come back down to test that 26, 27 level on the RSI, because you can see here we didn't quite come down to it. So it's nice to see a little bit of a bounce. I would like to see it backed up by some volume. However, maybe it will just be a slow climb back up. When we start to see a recovery, we just slowly start to make our way back up to our all-time high. But usually what happens is the price decreases and then you see that huge spike. You can see it here, price decrease, massive spike, and you can see we just absolutely exploded, decreased, massive spike in volume, and now we've just been decreasing for 2 months. So if we do see that recovery, I would expect that massive spike in volume, which would give me a lot more confidence to enter some long trades. So let's pop over to Ethereum. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. Now we did have a bit of a falling wedge here that we've broken out of, as well as we have a bull flag pattern. We aren't seeing that increase in volume, which still makes it shady to enter your long trades in my opinion. But if we do see a breakout from this level of resistance from our bull flag, here would be your target, would bring you basically right back up to that level of support, now turned into resistance at 2081 for Ethereum. So keep an eye on these reversal patterns, guys. We had that little bit of a double bottom, you can see here as well, and we broke out, but we aren't seeing that increase in volume. So trend carefully, because what can happen is we just continue to do what we've been doing for 2 months, where we have small breakouts, we consolidate, and then we see the continuation to the downside. And we have our support levels here for Ethereum down at about 18.15. So we'll pop Ethereum open on the daily just to show you guys some indicators here. So you can see the stock RSI is absolutely in the floor. And you can see how the lines are starting to curl, signifying that we're going to see a bit of a reversal in the trend. Now, what can happen here is we have a bit of a reversal and then we roll over once again. As you can see here, we came down. You can see it with the candles as well. We came down, we had a bounce, we had a bit of a reversal, but then we just came down once again as we are in a downtrend. And you can see here as well, we had a significant bounce And then of course we continue the downtrend. So what may happen here is we have a bounce and we roll and we continue the downtrend. I also wanted to show you guys this channel we've been in for 2 months on the RSI here on the daily. So if we are going to see a reversal, we need to break this level of resistance on the RSI at about 51 on the RSI on the daily. That will be a key level of resistance if we're going to see a true reversal in the trend. But we have not seen the Starch RSI this in the floor since May. So we are expecting a little bit of a bounce, which we are seeing currently here. So keep an eye on this bull flag pattern. If you see it start to break resistance, we could head back up to 2081. I would like to see it backed up by some volume, but we've been having shady volume for quite some time now. So trend and trade carefully here. So just a little quick update for Ethereum and for Matic. We'll quickly put Matic back open on the daily. So if you do see us start to break out of our bull pennant here to the upside, you can enter a long trade, but just be cautious because there's just been so many fake outs. Would bring you back up to about 90 cents. And then if we fall out of it, do expect that continuation where we're just having a little bit of a bounce. And then we see us come back down to test 78 cents. If we break it, we come down to 74. I would love to see the breakout to the upside, but we have to be realistic. I need to see some volume to back up the move here. So we have to be very cautious with our long trades, in my opinion. If you would like to learn to long and short the market, please check out my full length tutorial, which is in the description as well as tagged at the end of the video. So that's it for this one, guys. Nice to see a little bit of a bounce here, but unless it's backed up by some volume and we break out of this pattern, what can happen is we just continue to roll over, as I've been saying, and retest that 78 cent level of support and head back down to retest 26 on the RSI, where we saw that massive increase to the upside back in March as well as back in November of 2020. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. We'll give those future price targets. Let me find my chart here where I have those future price targets. Oh, loading. Okay, right here. All right, guys. So we have those future price targets. If this is our true bottom here at 74 cents, we have this future price targets at the 1.272 at $3, $4.65 at the 1.414. We have $6 at the 1.618, and that guesstimate that we all want to see here for Matic up here at $10. So if you got any value, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or not Twitter because it's banned in this country. Check out the Discord. Make sure to sign up to Bybit to receive up to $600 in sign up bonuses. No KYC required. Amazing trading platform, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.